Right now, I'm just applying a gel eyeliner by Inglot with a MAC 263 angled eyeliner brush. Holding your eye taut will enable you to get a straight line across the top of your eyelid. Now I'm just applying some Benefit Cosmetics, their Real Mascara, and I'm going to be cleaning up the eye area using these eye teas and a little bit of makeup remover by Neutrogena. I'm applying some of the Bobbi Brown cleansing oil under my eye to get rid of any of the residue. Taking a wet washcloth, I'm just cleaning up some of that cleansing oil underneath the eye and whatever fallout I have from my eyeshadow. And prepping the area for the next step. I am misting some of MAC's Fix Plus Mineralized Spray, and I'm applying concealer underneath along with some corrector. Concealer that I use is the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC45. I'm using a Delium foundation brush, and I'm just applying that around the mouth area and under the eye. Normally where I'm the darkest, or wherever you are the darkest on your face, is where you should apply a lighter color. Once I've used the concealer and corrector in the areas where I want it, I'm going to take my Beauty Blender, which I love. Beauty Blender should be damp and not wet, and just gently pat and tap underneath the eyes and around the mouth, like so. Next, I'm taking a little bit of foundation. I use the Studio Fix NW43 by MAC and a little bit of the Studio Fix Liquid in NW43, and I like to mix it on the back of my hand. Then I'm just applying it in dots over the other areas where there is no concealer, just to kind of blend in those two areas. So I'm just dotting this everywhere else. Then I'm going to go in with my Beauty Blender again. This time I'm going to do it upside down because I'm going to be covering a larger area of my face, as well as blending in the concealer along with the foundation, so that it's a smooth transition, even though I'm using two different colors. You just want to kind of lightly pat along the face and go over those areas a couple of times just to ensure that there's a blend. In this next step, I'm going to contour just around the perimeter of my face. I'm going to be using the MAC Blunt blush, which you can also, it's dark enough to use on myself as a contour. And I'm going to be using a flat brush, again, just around the perimeter, around my hairline. Just patting that in. I'm also going to cut into the cheek a little bit on both sides. I'm going to be using blush in Sweet as Cocoa, which is a warm brown color. It's very natural looking. It's not too heavy. Great for day. And I'm just going to be patting that on and then using a softer stroke just to blend it in small circles. Now don't go all the way up to the top of my cheeks again, because I want to blend this in with the contouring that I just did. This next step, I'm going to be using the Extra Dimension Skin Finish by MAC in Oh Darling. And this is a metallic gold color, really great on darker skin tones, just to create a little bit of a glow. And I'm not going to be putting a lot on, just brushing on just a little bit. Now I'm just blending out my contour along with the highlight, just so that it looks very smooth. There's no harsh edges or anything showing. You want to make sure that you blend, blend, blend. Now I'm just patting in a little bit of the Ben Nye banana powder underneath the eyes just to set that concealer, and also around the mouth. My second to last step is applying strip lashes, and these are by Friends Beauty in Hollywood, number 205. And I just use the fan to kind of dry them. I use the Duo Dark Glue in order to let it kind of blend in with the eyeliner. It is a dark tone eyelash glue that I use. And last but not least, a little something on the lips. I'm going to be using the Lychee Luxe by MAC Cosmetics. Now I'm just going to go in with a big fluffy brush and kind of just blend everything in. I'm not going to go in too hard, just enough to knock off the any kind of loose or fallen powder. Thank you so much for watching. This is my finished look. Thank you for getting ready with me.